everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this green pepper sauce. It's a very simple recipe, but I must say that this is very delicious. Yes, so if you want to see how I prepare it, keep watching. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using beef. Okay, you can use chicken if that is what you want. Not onion and locust beans. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients at the description. Okay, so here I'm seasoning the meat with onion. I'm going to add nut cube inside, salt, and a bit of water, and allow that to cook. So while the meat is cooking, I'm going to blend my pepper. As you can see, I use mixture of green pepper to do this. Okay, so just slice, wash, and blend them. I'm using food processor to blend the peppers. So as you can see, I throwed in half onion, garlic, and ginger into my blender. So yeah. So after blending everything, I'm going to pour them on a sieve. As you can see, I don't need that water, just set it aside because you might be needing it later. Okay, so on my pan over the heat, I'm adding vegetable oil. You can use red oil for this, okay, but I'm using vegetable oil. Now I added my onion, and I'm going to saute the onion for a couple of minutes. But while the onion is sauteing, I'm going to add locust beans inside the onion. This gives it extra taste, but if you don't have locust beans, don't worry, it will come out well as well. Okay, as you can see, I added also one nut cube into that, and I'm going to allow the onion to cook down before adding the pepper. So after some minutes, the onion is well sauteed, so I added the pepper. Now I'm going to stir up everything and allow that to cook. When you know that your pepper, like they are cooked, is when you start seeing the oil coming out of the pepper. Okay, but make sure you stir them continuously while they are cooking. So here, as you can see, the pepper have started changing color and the oil is coming out. So I'm going to add the meat at this point. So yeah, after adding the meat, I'm going to stir everything up together. Test if the seasoning are okay, or go ahead to correct the seasoning. After I'm done stirring everything, I'm going to add the shrimps into the sauce now. Stir them up together and allow them to cook for another 10 minutes. So at this point again, after stirring them up, I'm adding some stock. If you don't have stock, this is where you will add that the liquid that comes out of the pepper. Okay, so just stir everything up and allow them to just cook for a couple of minutes and your sauce is done. And also, if you want to use egg, which I find very fascinating, like the taste of the egg was amazing after cooking this, try it with egg, you will love it. So yeah, this is all, guys. I hope you will give this video a try. This is very delicious sauce. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So but actually, before before I close this video, after adding the egg, I allow them to stay over the heat for 5 minutes. Okay, so bon appetito, enjoy watching and give it a try. Come back and give me feedback. Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please share this video as well. Thank you all and love you. Bye.